So this is what the ground looks like after we made a couple passes with the finisher here. Just got out to pick up a few rocks. Figured I'd show you. Real happy with it. There's always certain areas in this field that have a lot of rocks, so it's good to pick them up so we don't break any equipment on them. Just about done with this field. Just hoping to get done and out of here before they get the planter in here. We're at that O, should be able to get one more field done level on fuel. 4 bars left, so this better work out. So we got our 7260R on the finisher here. It's a Kraus. I think it's 21. Oh, it's a little rough right now, but hopefully it's smoother after this pass. You can see up there the corn planters there. There's a couple other guys there making sure everything's working on it. And I don't know if you can see a little further up there, manure spreader's up there. One of the other guys is in that, I'm not sure who. Now we got a couple other guys out fencing. Better stop and add to our rock collection again here. Seems like every pass you make, you uncover a little more. Never fails when you get out of the tractor because you see one rock, and then you see a whole bunch more. Some of these are from discing previously. So this is our finisher here. It's a Kraus 6200 Landsman. Well, this is different from our disc that you've seen in the other video, because it just has one disc gang in the front, and then those black things that you see there with springs on them, those are the sweeps or shovels, I guess you'd call them. There's like 30 of those on. Those just throw dirt around a lot. They're not very fun to change either on these, just because there's so many, and usually have to grind them off. And then back behind that we got a 3-bar harrow, and then there's a rolling basket as well there in the back. It does a pretty good job. It's called a finisher because it's the final pass that you make. In some parts of the world they called it a digger. Whatever you prefer. These discs up here in the front aren't quite as angled as the ones on the disc. These are a little straighter there. On the sunflower disc, they're a little more concave. Dad's down there in the planter. He's got the 7410 on our 6-row planter there. Just working out the kinks today. Today's just like the test day here. We'll go at it hard next week.
They must all be working on that one.
With this, we're pretty much just trying to work up the top 3 or 4 inches of the soil, because the corn gets dropped at about 2 inches. So it's important to have a good level seed bed to put this corn in. So that's what this is accomplishing here. This was the field that you saw that video of Mike and I out chisel plowing. Welcome back, guys. It's May 16th here. We got the finisher going. As you can see, I made a couple passes. Hoping to get some corn in today. We got some nice black dirt here. Some straight rows. The ground's just dry. dry enough for us to be back out in the fields here. We got 7/10 an inch of rain on Wednesday night there, and about half an inch on Thursday there. Calling for a little rain tonight, but we should be able to knock out some acres here. See what happens. The ground temp's plenty warm now. Yesterday it was like 75 degrees here. There you can see we're going 8 miles an hour. This is the IVT transmission, so the RPMs are moving up and down, but we're pretty much at 1840 for RPMs. If you're not familiar with how this works, you basically set the speed you want to go at with this knob here, and that'll increase and decrease it, and then you put the throttle all the way up, and then the tractor basically figures how much horsepower it needs to pull this. There you can see I got a little bird poop on my window. Now you can't see it. Pulling pretty easy because we're in some flat ground. Once we get into our hilly ground, it'll work the tractor a little harder. And this is some of the best dirt that we have. Gets a lot of manure on it. On the left, you see that right before the rye field, you can see there's a wet spot from last year's corn silage harvest. Mike and Dad were out getting the planter ready and filling it up with seed and all that. So Dad's going to be running the planter. Mike's probably going to take over running the finisher here. loads of manure out while they plant. Yummy. It's looking pretty straight out there, Dad.